what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and let me welcome you to my channel, honeycrunch321. So, in today's video, I'll be reviewing this Harunouta L056 stamping plate sent to me by bornprettystore. Now, let's try the stamping plate. I'm using a white regular nail polish for all of the stampings. After stamping the different snowflake designs, I applied top coat. It has a ton of different snowflake designs and every single one of them has its own charm. The snowflake designs varies in different sizes as well. It's very well etched and I'm loving every design on this stamping plate. You can check this product out at bornprettystore.com. And the link for it is available on the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!